Meaning of General James Wolfe.
General James Wolfe.
General James Wolfe.
General James Wolfe.
General James Wolfe. General James Wolfe was a British Army officer who was best known for his role in the 7 Years' War. He was born in 1727 and died in 1759 during the Battle of Quebec. Wolfe is particularly remembered for his strategic leadership during this battle, which resulted in a British victory over the French forces in Canada. His death at the young age of 32 and his military accomplishments have made him a popular figure in British military history. In short, General James Wolfe was a skilled military leader who played an important role in British military victories during the 7 Years' War.